Hi friends, welcome back to Sanang channel, your knowledge portfolio. So, as we discussed in the last video, today we are going to discuss on the second rule of debit and credit, that is American system. Under this rule, the accounts are further classified into 5 accounts, that is, one is asset, second is liability, third is capital, fourth is revenue and profit, and fifth is expenses and losses. So first we will discuss on asset. Now what are assets? Assets are like furniture account, building account, machinery account. These things are identified as asset, classified as asset. So as per the rule of accounting under American system, asset increases in the debit side and decreases in the credit side. Let's see the example. So let's take the example of purchase of machinery in cash of rupees 10,000. So firstly we will identify the types of accounts. First is machinery account and another is cash account. Now machinery account will be debited. Why? Because machine is being purchased. So as asset increases in the debit side, so machinery account will be debited as machine is being purchased, and cash account will be credited as while purchasing the machinery cash is going out. So asset decreases in the credit side, so cash account will be credited. So the journal entry will be machinery account debited rupees 10,000 to cash account credited rupees 10,000. Now come to liability. So what are liabilities? Liabilities are like long-term loan, short-term loan, outstanding salaries, sundry creditors. These are liabilities. So as per the rule of accounting under American system, liability decreases in the debit side and increases in the credit side. So how will you remember this? This is just the opposite of asset. The rule of accounting for asset was it increases in the debit side and decreases in the credit side, but liability, it decreases in the debit side and increases in the credit side. So let's see the example. Suppose a company borrows rupees 20,000 from bank. So what will be the journal entry for this? First we will identify the two types of account. Here one will be borrowing account and another will be cash account. Cash account will be debited and borrowing account will be credited. Why? Because company is borrowing rupees 20,000 from bank. So cash is increasing and asset increases in the debit side. So cash account will be debited, and as company is borrowing, so liability is increasing. So that's why borrowing account will be credited as liability increases in the credit side. So the journal entry will be cash account debited rupees 20,000 to borrowing account credited rupees 20,000. Now come to capital. What is capital? Capital, it is the fund which is utilized for running a business, like working capital, debt capital, equity capital. So as per the rule of accounting under American system, capital decreases in the debit side and increases in the credit side. So how will you remember this? It is just the same like liability. Liability also decreases in the debit side and increases in the credit side. So let's see the example. So here is the example. Owner invested rupees 10,000 in the company. So firstly we will identify the two types of account. One is cash account and the other is owner's equity account. Here cash account will be debited. Why? Because owner invested rupees 10,000 in the company. So asset is increasing, there is increase in the cash. So as asset increases in the debit side, so cash account will be debited and owner's equity account will be credited because owner invested rupees 10,000 in the company. So this 10,000 amount, it is the equity amount. So as capital increases in the credit side, that's why owner equity account will be credited. So the journal entry will be cash account debited rupees 10,000 to owner's equity account credited rupees 10,000. Now come to income and gains. These are salary credit, income from share trading, interest received, dividend received. These are incomes and gains. So as per the rule of accounting under American system, income and gains decreases in the debit side and increases in the credit side. This thing we all know, we are very used to this. When we get our salary, it shows that this much amount has been credited to your account, and when we make any expenses, that time it shows that this much amount has been debited from your account when that amount is deducted from our account. So let's see the example. So here is the example. Sold furniture at rupees 15,000 and received rupees 9,000 in cash. So firstly we will identify the types of account. One will be cash account, another will be accounts receivable account, and third will be sales revenue account. So cash account will be debited. Why? Very simple, because rupees 9,000 is received in cash. So asset increases in the debit side, that's why cash account is debited. Then furniture was of rupees 15,000 and rupees 9,000 is received in cash. So balance rupees 6,000 is receivable. So that's why accounts receivable account will be debited as asset increases in the debit side, and sales revenue account will be credited as furniture is being sold. So that's why after selling the product, the revenue which you are earning, so that's why the sales revenue account, and it is credited as incomes and gains increases in the credit side. Now come to expenses and losses. These are like purchase of raw materials, salary expenses, rent payment. So these are types of expenses and losses. As per the rules of accounting under American system, expenses and losses increases in the debit side and decreases in the credit side. It is just the opposite of incomes and gains. So now let's see the example. Company paid rupees 25,000 salary. So first identify the types of account. One will be salary expense account and another will be cash account. Salary expense account is debited. Why? Because it is a type of expense and expense increases in the debit side. So that's why salary expense account is debited. And cash account is credited. Why? Because while making the payment of salary, cash is going out and asset decreases in the credit side. So that's why cash account is credited. So the journal will be salary expense account debited rupees 25,000 to cash account credited rupees 25,000. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any doubt or any queries, or if you want me to solve any question, then you can put it in the below comment section. You will get an immediate response. And my next video will be on the adjustment entries. So till then, take care and be safe, and goodbye.
Audio Jungle.